When your kiddos has that persistent cough, it's often due to lung heat. But no worries, I've got a killer lung nourishing soup recipe that'll work wonders. Moms, watch till the end. Cut the snow pear with the skin into small pieces. Put the snow pear, lily and red dates into a pot and add an appropriate amount of water and simmer for 20 minutes. Add goji berries and simmer for another 5 minutes. This soup aids in moisturizing the throat and eliminating internal heat. Now, if your little ones are not into it or you're just not out for the hassle, here's a super popular no-cook nourishing soup on the market. Food Art Excellung. Crafted to nourish both the spleen and lungs while effectively dispelling excess dampness from the body, this soup is a true gem. Not only it works wonders for cough relief, but it also provides holistic nourishment. In taste and pro in action, it's sure to be a hit with the kiddos. No fuss, no muss. Just pop one pack in and you're all set. Don't forget to share it.